Have you consumed chia seeds? That superfood that has become popular in recent weeks and promises to change your life forever. But what are the true benefits of consuming this seed classified as a superfood? Let's find out. This plant is native to South America, specifically in central and southern Mexico, El Salvador, Honduras, Guatemala, and is currently well known as it has become quite fashionable after being highly recommended to start changing dietary habits for a healthier life. They are also very easy to find in various establishments, supermarkets, and health food stores. Chia is gluten-free, making it a perfect food for those with celiac disease. Even in Mayan and Aztec cultures, chia seeds were used in daily diets, as well as by warriors, as they provided sustainable energy. In fact, Chia is an ancient Mayan word that means strength. Despite its ancient history as a staple food in the diet, chia seeds have only recently been recognized as a true superfood. What are the benefits? Rich in antioxidants. Chia seeds are a whole grain food and are organically grown. They are non-GMO and gluten-free. They have a high load of antioxidants, being 3 times richer in antioxidants than blueberries. Antioxidants help slow down premature aging, reduce certain diseases, and combat free radicals. Excellent source of fiber. It is recommended to consume about 30 grams of fiber per day for both men and women. If we increase our daily fiber intake by 15 grams, it would bring many benefits to the body and overall health. 28 grams of chia seeds contain 11 grams of fiber. This fiber absorbs its weight in water 10 to 12 times, creating a very filling effect as the seeds expand in the stomach, helping to reduce the amount of food we consume throughout the day. Likewise, this undigested fiber reaches the intestines, causing the good bacteria that reside in the intestines to feed and improve our gut health. Chia seeds, with their high concentration of mucilage, expand and adhere to the intestinal walls, stimulating intestinal movement and improving constipation. This viscous substance hydrates and lubricates the intestinal tract, facilitating the expulsion of feces. That's why it's so important to include high amounts of fiber in your diet, and chia seeds are excellent for that. High supply of good proteins. Just as consuming fiber is very important, including proteins in our diet is also crucial, especially to achieve weight loss goals, but also to take care of our health. The cells in our body are constantly renewing themselves, and in order for that renewal to occur optimally, we need to consume proteins, which in turn are loaded with amino acids, another benefit provided by chia seeds, high-quality protein. Proteins help us feel full and reduce anxiety and obsessive thoughts about food, leading to healthy weight loss. One of the advantages offered by this seed is how easily it can be consumed, as there are many recipes where it can be included. For example, simply combine 1 to 2 teaspoons of chia seeds with 8 to 10 ounces or 240 to 300 milliliters of water of your chosen drink, for example, juice or coconut water, to make chia seed water. Stir thoroughly and set aside for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring regularly to avoid clumps. The liquid will absorb the chia seeds, forming a gel-like substance. If desired, add sweeteners or flavors and serve chilled or at room temperature. Enjoy this nutritious and hydrating beverage. It's perfect to consume when you're feeling anxious because it's very satisfying. Are you convinced to include chia in your daily diet? Then comment below with the recipes you can come up with using it. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.